Today is Thursday, the 17th day of January 2025. That sounds kind of funny to say. I am standing on Avenue L and Moody Avenue or 21st Street. Just took a picture of that house right there. And I'm going to start this video on this street for L Street. Just so that you know, we're going to go up and down it. And then got a couple more streets to shoot today too. Wow, that's hard for me to say, right? But you can see on this house, I shot it from back here. The sun's going to be a little bit busy, but you know, that's the way it goes. It's not a bad looking house. It's got a couple of issues here and there, but it's got a lot of detail. And this here is around the side of it here. Got some nice shutters on it. Got some nice detail you see right there on the porch. And see that half arch up there. Got windows all down here on the bottom. And anyway, we're just going to walk along L Street as we do. And this here will be the next house that I'll showcase, and I'll take a picture of this. But we'll put it on video first. And so you can see, it's got some really good details up there at the top. The door is super nice, and the side lights there. Now it doesn't have a transom, but still looks really good. And there, just like that, that'll get it for you. Alright, so hang on and we'll keep going. Alright, our next house is right beyond these palm trees right here. Or this palm tree, maybe I should say. You can see glimpses of it through here. Yeah, that gives you a nice introduction to it, doesn't it? But of course, yellow, so you know I think it's the best color. So it's a beautiful color. They got a single car garage down here. Quite a few stairs. Nice and white though. And the door, got nice glass in it. Used to have a transom, but that's covered up with wood, which is the only real shame I can find. And here is another palm tree, by the way. So that's the house. And we'll use these palm fronds here. And right here is the very next one. And look, fish scales up there at the top. You know I love fish scales. Got a garage there, but it looks like it's a little worse for the wear. Now this house needs some love, okay? I'm not going to lie about this house. It absolutely needs some love. You can see these stairs have seen some better days. The door's got that shutter on it. There's damage right up in here. So that definitely needs fixed. It's got a nice dormer, but it's got fish scales and stuff. This is a house that has potential. Okay, but it does have potential. So I'm still going to show it. So this gorgeous place here is our next target. Look at all those details up around the top, you know, all through here. And the color of it, the railings. That is all very, very nice. This is a storm survivor. It's got the 1900 storm plaque there. The windows and the transoms. Got a nice door. Got a swing. Got a rocker. 2 ceiling fans on that little porch. So you can move a lot of air, which is good. And then you got this window here. A nice big bay window. And we got that bright sun that's trying to choke us out. But show you to you from this angle. And you can see pretty much the whole thing there. Pretty nice house. Alright, so here we're just crossing over 20th Street here. You can see this one has got some really nice details. It's got fish scales all through these window sections and just below them there. Got really nice windows, and as soon as I get out of this sun that is blinding me there. Now look at that detail around that window right there, and you see the squirrel right there running. And then got a ton of fish scales here, and oh my goodness, look at this detail. Oh man, 1925 Avenue L. Check this out. This, wow. Okay, yeah, this wins the wow award so far today. It's early, I know. But there's more detail there. I don't want to go past that sun, but you see this from this angle. And then back here, and then look at that nice dormer up there. Very cool shape, very nice colors, very nice details. The details make these, that's the mailbox right there. So very cool house. Alright, let's get a picture of it. Okay, and as I so often say in these videos, right next to the gorgeous house I just shot, you have this one. Probably can't tell it in this video, but back there in that side window, nice little piece of glass back there. Here, you can see there's some details too though. See the fish scales, but look at the glass, especially the upper half right here. And then we got that nice little arch up there at the top. Got good colors, got little details everywhere. Got this little tiny fountain here that's just streaming water slowly and just kind of quiet. You see right there, it's the address at 1919. That needs a little bit of loving on it there. The doors, I would definitely do a different color, but it does have a plaque on it. But it's not a storm survivor, okay? So it's not a storm house survivor, but that's it. And it's still, overall, it's a good looking house. It's got some really cool details, so I'd definitely give this one a thumbs up. And we're going to skip one, and then this house here is the next one. And of course, it's the right color. It's a nice light yellow. Look at all the nice detail around it there. And then the red on the windows, and then the green shutters. It's very nice. It don't have too many stairs there. And it's got a beautiful door. If I keep us out of the sun, you can see that. Nice little house there. I have to say, I like it. And right next door, we have this house. It's got a really good color to it, nice pastel. Makes you feel relaxed. And got a nice porch, of course, and you know, I love the porches. And then, we got a dog next door barking at us. But you see, it's got some nice detail in the windows up there. So those are nice, and then the purple, I like all that. And of course the white fence, that's good, so we like that. Alright, the dog's getting too much. Okay, the house right next to me, I'm passing that one by, it had the yappy dogs. Don't want to get bothered by them anymore. This is a nice house here. I don't know if it's set up as an Airbnb or what it's set up as, but it's a pretty good looking place. Up and down, you can see, it's just got the single porch, but it's all the way across. That's what I like. Got nice windows. There is a storm survivor plaque. Yeah, that's definitely a storm survivor plaque right up there. So, and then look at the details all right here. Those are nice details, are they not? And you know, I like details. And of course, it's got the transom right there too, and a nice door, and a nice wrought iron fence. Got the palm trees right there, and got these palm leaf things. I don't know what they call them, but yeah, all nice. All right, so we come across this nice white picket fence, and what's behind it is that. Look at the detail. Got the orange around the windows and stuff painted, around the areas around the porch in there. Got the two dormers at the top, using the green shutters. Carried that through with the stairs and the railings there. I know, on the screen door as well for the green. Then the orange for the side lights and for the transom. Nice little yard. Got a little statue in it of a woman that I don't believe is wearing too much, but it is. That's one of the wooden statues. Okay, interesting. But that's a nice house, and there it is. So the thing that stands this house out to me, number one, is that it is a storm survivor. If you look right up there by the door, you'll see the plaque there underneath the light. Like the red details and stuff. Kind of brownish, really, in a way. But anyway, got dual porches, so you know, I like the double porches. I like the details they've got up there at the top, and right here at the bottom, these little things right there, and they got them across. Got a little light out there with a candle in it. But yeah, being a survivor, it deserves a little bit of love. So let's go ahead and give it some. All right, so this one's right next door to the one I just shot. And what makes it special? Kind of the same thing as the other one. It's dual porched, of course. But if you look up there, you can see it's a storm survivor right underneath the light right there. And that's a fake gas light. That's not real. But it's got the transom, it's got the side lights. The color's nice. They put some blue on the railing and the steps to differentiate it, you can see. And they got one of them fake gas lights up there at the top too. So overall, not too bad. Definitely not too bad. Alright, the house next to this one, you can see this is not the house, but this is a sidewalk. It's different enough. I wanted to show that to you. And then give you some of these palm fronds here, fronds. Give you a little bit of the fence. And then there is the house. So again, you know, it's the right color with the yellow. It's just got a tiny porch on it. So this has got a security camera, and that's okay. Got this big tree here. And a seahorse in the yard. Alright, so that is that one. Alright, now this house right next door, I'm not going to lie, it needs a lot of love. I mean, look at this fence right here. They don't even have a sidewalk. But there's one reason in truth why I'm doing this. Don't want to embarrass anybody or anything like that. But I will tell you, this is a storm survivor. So if you look up there, right on that right hand side of the door there, they do have the symbol. So this is the storm survivor. Now I do like up there, see their ceiling on their porch there? That is nice beadboard wood, looks like. And I do like that. And it's got some nice details over the windows and little teeny corbels there. Things like that. But yeah, you can't hide it. This one needs love. That is for sure. Alright, this is the next door one here. And again, you can see it's got the orange around the windows, even the dormers up there at the top. Nice green color. Look at the fence here. That's definitely worth showing. The double doors on it up there. And over here, let me point out before I get too hidden away. Right there is the storm survivor plaque, and that's got another plaque over there, which is probably where it was on a tour or something here. This has pets present. It's got a nice transom up there at the top. I like the oval windows and the door, and then the nice corbels and things. You see, they painted all them orange to get a little bit of standout. Got some really nice landscaping in here, and then it's all brick for the yard. So low maintenance to no maintenance. Little tree right there. Nice looking place. I like it. Okay, just if you're following along here in the video, you see I'm at Avenue L still, of course, which is what this video is about, and 18th Street. And this is the next thing I want to show you. And of course, and again, one of its big deals is its color. You know, I like the yellow. It's got a little missing fence here. They got laying over there, looks like. So I think they're maybe replacing some of it. But anyhow, you can see it's got some good detail. It needs some cleanup and stuff. It has just a little porch, so you know, it's not a big porch to brag about or anything, but it's got a really nice door. I do like its door. Look at that color here. Stop here for a few seconds. Got a little transom. I'll zoom in on that and be showing that to you as well, so that you can see all that stuff. Got a little tiny bit of detail up there, and then they got the same thing up there, and that little oval up there too. So it's not bad. It is not bad at all. We like it. You know, the house that I had just showed you, that house right there, I had a really long talk with the neighbors. Nice guy, and he stays here a couple months out of the year and does some other things, but he's a really good guy, got a lot of experience, loves the town. But this house here, you can see it's got a nice porch across the front of it, got that green door where that really stands out. And they got the windows some dark color. There's a little window up there, and then they got this concrete wall here with the little bit of fence there. So not bad at all. Alright, so we got this one here. You see the fish scales right there towards the bottom of the windows there. Pretty good sized staircase there. Screen door on it. Sun's here a little bit to bother us. It is a survivor, by the way. Let me get out the sun here. Right there, left hand side of the door is the 1900 survivor. This mailbox there. It's got a garage. And a lot of good little details. I definitely I like this little house. It's a good one.